Hi, I'm David Talbot. Now I'm just going to give you a quick overview of the IM Center. If you're new to the platform, this is a great video for you to introduce you to how to use the IM Center for your learning. So what you first need to do is go to the website im.center. So I for India, M for Mike, .center, the American spelling. So C-E-N-T-E-R. Take you to the following screen, and it's always good when you're doing the IM Center to access this on a computer or a laptop. It can be accessed on a phone, but it will be a small screen. But it's always good that you can access it easily. So once you're presented with the screen, you'll need to type in your username and password that you use to register with the platform. Once you've done that, click on the login button. Now the IM Center will load up. It'll take a bit of time, but don't worry. Just be patient and you'll see the following screen. Once in the IM Center, you'll be able to access all your learning and you'll be able to do your understanding as well. As you can see from the IM Center, there are notices at the top of latest events and tools that you can access. You can see your progress and what tasks you need to do next, your status in terms of what charts and trophies and all the other tools and things that you've achieved and how many times you've logged in. The Hall of Fame, you're competing against other people on the platform as well, so you can check the leaderboard, but also the awards that you've achieved as well. There are notices at the bottom, so you can catch them. And also you can edit your profile pictures and profile of yourself as well. So when you click on it, you can edit it. So let's get down to the key bits that you need to look out for. At the top, you'll have your home screen, which will take you back to here. Here is completion, so any activities and tasks that you completed are here. But the main thing you need to look at is the academies. If you click on the academies button on the left-hand side, it will take you to a menu to find your training. Here you'll have the Forex Academy training here for you to view. If you have access to, say, for example, digital currency training, that will be here instead of the Forex Academy. And what you'll find is where it says Learn Forex Trading _English. And this is where you need to click on to access the education. What will happen is a menu will appear at the bottom where you can access your learning. What you'll need to do is click on to Enroll to access it. It will open up like so. Now what you're presented with is your videos that you need to watch, but also some tests as well. What we always recommend people is to go through the different series. So there's a 100 series, a 200 series, a 300 series, a 400 series as well. The main ones we want to focus for you to focus on are the 100, 200 and 300 series videos. So how can I tell that I'm watching the 100 series? Here is the title for the video. It says FRX 101. And when it starts with 1, that's the 100 series. If you scroll down, you'll see the 200. There we go, 204. So that's the 200 series. And if you scroll down furthermore, you can see the 400 series or even the 300 series. Yeah? So there's all different types of videos you can access. So once you get to, for example, the 100 series, once you click on the video, it will open up and load up for you to watch. Now the videos range between 2 to 5 minutes with a few 8-minute videos in the package. These are easy to follow where you can easily rewind and watch them again. Once you finish watching a video, you can return back to the curriculum. It will take you back to the list where you can do the tests to follow it as well. Once you've completed the test, then it will basically, you'll be able to submit your marks and you can access it again. Once you've completed that, you can move on to the next one. What we recommend at our academy are about for you to do 4 to 5 videos a day. Spend about half an hour because then you can go back and rewatch the videos and make notes. And if you fail something in a test, you can come back to it again. This video is a great way for you to learn how to access the IM Mastery Academy IM Center. So please feel free to rewatch this video if you get stuck, and please contact us if you need any help or information as well.